What's up guys, welcome back to the Mogul. If you're new to the channel, my name is Art. Today I'm going to do a little update on some parts that I got for my Porsche GT4. So, two things that were really bothering me about the Porsche GT4, especially with the agate gray finish, were the orange reflector lights. So I went to Porsche and actually bought the factory clear finish light, which is great because second week of owning the car I washed it and I had a little bit of condensation with water, so it fogged up a little bit. I took it back to Porsche and they gave me a new corner light because it comes with a 1-year parts warranty. Another thing that I got that was really bothering me is in this box, but the issue is prior to just clicking the buy it now and purchasing the item, I didn't read through the description. So if you come closer to the box, I opened it obviously, so it's not like it's a surprise unveiling for me, but I bought a gas cap. Now when you look at this gas cap in pictures, it looks like it's aluminum. It's a pretty good quality gas cap, made in Germany just like any other parts of Porsche, but it's plastic. But if you come closer over here and I open the gas tank, I'm gonna pop out the original gas cap. So it actually is on a little bracket over here that holds up so it doesn't fall. But let me just pop it open. So here you got the two different finishes. This is a little bit smaller and it's black. It doesn't have Porsche. It looks very cheap. Looks like a gas cap that you'll get in your average $12,000 car. And then you have the finished stainless look, but it isn't really stainless. So my issue is, I think I'm gonna obviously keep it. I'm not gonna return it. It looks good, especially if you put it on. If you look at it on the car, it looks great. My only thing is, I don't really know if it's worth $200. So like I said in a lot of previous videos, I don't know if you guys are new to the channel or you are subscribed, I wanted to do a full exhaust on the car. That's still coming, but debating a little bit on which exhaust system, and also we got leaked footage of the new Porsche GT4, so I don't know exactly what to do at the moment. Thank you guys again for watching this short little video of the updates on my Porsche GT4. If you're new, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks again.